Hello and welcome to a new uniTFTDesigner video tutorial. My name is Jonas and I'm working for Electronic Assembly's development team.
Today's topic is user input. We want to create a keyboard, customize a little, and connect to an edit field. After opening a new project, we drag and drop a keyboard object into our screen. As you can see, there's the German layout. I increased the size by changing the property in the property editor and aligned the keyboard to the screen. You can customize by just a simple double click. The pop-up allows to change the keyboard layout and insert or modify buttons. There are 4 different layouts for one keyboard. With the Shift and Caps Lock, the style is automatically changed. I want to show in the simulator. Just press F6 and it starts automatically. As you can see, the Shift activates layout 2 with automatic fallback to layout 1, showing small letters. Caps Lock sets layout 2 permanently. Now we want to connect an EditBox to the keyboard for user input. Just drag in and you can see on the object properties the connection between keyboard and EditBox. I simply increase the text size and adopt the edit field size. Insert some spacing in X direction. With the alignment tool, we can center vertically. Starting the simulator again, we can see the inputs showing up in the EditBox. You normally want to do something with the user input, so I will show how to handle the inputs. I need to create a new macro, give it a nice name, and edit the contents. First command is leaving the macro if user did not press Send button. The command is macro file exit. The first parameter condition is the last pressed keyboard key, but C. We always need to exit, if not, Send is pressed. The next line, command VSO, writes the content of the EditBox into the string register 0. Now we can do everything with the string. The easiest is just outputting it in the terminal window, YPA, string register, and carriage return line feed. Before testing, we need to connect the macro with the EditBox. F6 starts the simulator and we can test and see the output in the terminal window in the top left corner. The EditBox allows more than simply showing text. We can also set an input mask. Let's say a date, so 2 digits for month, day, and year. I limit the value for month as we can only accept 1 to 12. I'm testing again. As you can see, it's impossible to type in text or an incorrect date. For a simple password input, I allow only digits. I want to hide the user's input, so I add a wildcard code. As you can see in the simulator, only digits are allowed and you can only see my wildcard code. But the terminal output shows the real characters, so we could compare the string with a preset password string.
I hope you enjoyed today's uniTFTDesigner tutorial. Maybe you have time and play around a little bit with our other sample projects and enjoy our video tutorials.